Welcome to ProfitClass, the first ever course creator that allows you to generate courses with AI and then sell them immediately on your website with no hosting needed. You can have a website that looks just like this one and then sell all of these courses in as little as 60 seconds with ProfitClass. So let's just see how that's done. In the backend here, we can see a summary of all of our data. We can see that we've had 3 purchases of our lead generated products and then 1 purchase of our $3,000 course. Going on, we can modify with drag and drop our entire website to make sure that it looks exactly how we want it to look, and then have everything either yourself or your clients need. What's more, you can go so in depth as to have your very own instructors to lead your courses and have them talk and do your job for you. But what's the best thing about ProfitClass is our AI generated done for you courses. So if we're gonna go ahead and just look for anything here, for example, crypto, because it's really hot right now, we get 3 courses already done that we can just upload directly into ProfitClass and then start selling as our own. And it doesn't stop here. We can search for anything. We can search for email marketing, for example. And we have all of these incredible email marketing courses that we can use and then sell further on. And that's not even everything about ProfitClass. You can see on the left side here all of these menus that you're going to learn about in our in-depth training. I'm not going to bore you with right now, but I just want to show you how ProfitClass is much more than just a course and a site builder. You can also generate QR codes for your website to be in trend with all of these cool and modern ways to share your websites on social media. You can have virtual cards. So you can create your very own virtual card to explain everything about your website, your courses, how great of a coach you are, so on and so forth. You can have your very own subscribers and then you can mail them directly from ProfitClass. You can add your own advertisements. You can have your own announcements for your users and subscribers and customers. You can add a bunch of different payment gateways to be sure that you can be paid exactly how you want to be paid. You can modify your logo, your info, your theme. If you want different themes, we have tons of other themes that you can use. You can have your very own blog, your very own domain if you don't want to use our domain. You can modify your language and then add a different one if you want to sell your courses in another country or in a different language. ProfitClass gives you access to a fully functional, done-for-you business that all you have to do is click around a couple of times, upload courses according to your needs, and then immediately start mailing your users. And with 24/7 support and incredibly in-depth training, we can't wait to see you inside ProfitClass.